Canvas for Elementary makes Canvas more accessible for younger students. It alleviates the need to create multiple buttons to jump from course to course. The layout is easier for students to navigate and manage their learning. In a few steps, you can learn how to use the new layout. The first step is to designate which course you'd like to use as a homeroom. If you haven't yet, please create your courses in My Student and make sure to turn on the option to create a Canvas course in the properties. Find your course and select it. At the top, click on the Manage Subject button. Here you will see the settings for the course. Scroll down and near the bottom you'll see an option to enable as a homeroom course. Click Update Course Details. Return to the homeroom. You will not use your homeroom course to create assignments or modules. If you have already created a homeroom that you plan to use for course content, you can create another course and call it Announcements to be set as a homeroom. On the homeroom page, you can see your course cards for both published and unpublished courses. At any time, you can switch views by clicking on the three dots. Classic View will return your dashboard view to just course cards. Select Homeroom View to see it as the students will view it. As a side note, this will not change the view for your students as this is a user setting. Your students will continue to see the homeroom view. One of the main features of using the homeroom view is adding announcements. To add an announcement, click on the Subject tab. Find the course you have set as your homeroom. Here you will see a simplified navigation menu. Right at the top, you will see Announcements. You can see a list of all existing announcements and can create a new one by clicking the Add Announcement button. Add a headline in the topic title, then add the body of your announcement. This is the familiar rich content editor that you use for adding content everywhere in Canvas. You can add images, videos, media, files, and links. You can also add attachments. If you'd like to schedule the announcement, you can click on Delay Posting and set the day you would like. To post immediately, click the Save button. You will see your announcement here at the top. To view the announcement, click on the title. To edit the announcement, click on Edit. For more options, click the three dots. You can also create subject announcements by navigating to the subject and clicking Manage Subject. Click on the Announcements button and add an announcement. This announcement will appear when a student visits the subject directly. The next element to look at is the important dates. You can add calendar events and assignments here. Navigate to the calendar. On the right side, make sure that you have the current course's calendar activated. You activate a calendar by clicking on the color box next to the calendar name. Click on the date you'd like to add the event. Give the event a title, times, and location as needed. Change the calendar from the default user calendar to a subject. You will see the option appear down below to mark as an important date. Select the box. Return to the homeroom and the event will now show on the right side. This can also be done with assignments. Navigate to the assignment you'd like to add to important dates. On the Edit screen, add a due date. You will see the option to mark as an important date. By selecting the box, you will add that to the important dates on your homeroom. Next, you will want to edit the Resources Important Info page. To do this, click on the Subjects tab and select the course you made as your homeroom. In the course navigation, click on the Important Info. Click on the Edit button. Add all the information you'd like to provide in the Resources tab. You can add or link to important documents, class websites, or embed information. Once you have posted information here, you can easily click the pencil to edit the information. Each course also has an Important Information tab that can be edited as well. Click on a course, then click Manage Subject at the top. In the navigation menu, you will see an option for Important Info. This will appear on the Resources tab in that subject only and is distinct from the Homeroom info. In the Grades tab, you can quickly navigate to each subject gradebook. The To Do tab is where you find the list of assignments that need to be graded. You can click on the assignment to jump into SpeedGrader or click the X to remove it from the list. Each subject can have a home page. To create a home page on a subject, navigate to the subject and click on Manage Subject. Go to the Pages. You can create a new page or designate an existing page as the home. Click on the three dots and select Use as Subject Home. The page will now be labeled as such and will be viewed when any student selects the subject from the homeroom. When you click on a subject that doesn't have a home page assigned, you will see an option to Manage Home. This will take you to the pages where you can designate a subject home. In each subject, you can add the course card and wide header banner. Click on Manage Subject and then click on the Settings. Here you can add images to both the course card and the wide banner. Enjoy using Canvas for elementary navigation for students.